1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मी प्राध्यापक केशव चेमटे KDC बायोफंडा या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये हार्दिक स्वागत करत आहे. यंदा कोविडच्या पार्श्वभूमीवर राज्य पाठ्यपुस्तक महामंडळ तसेच महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड यांच्याकडून 11वीचा बायोलॉजी या विषयाचा 25% अभ्यासक्रम कमी करण्यात आलेला आहे. तर मग पाहूयात आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये 11वीचा कोणता अभ्यासक्रम कमी करण्यात आलेला आहे. चॅप्टर नंबर 1, लिव्हिंग वर्ल्ड. द पॉइंट्स डिलीटेड आर हर्बेरियम, बोटॅनिकल गार्डन्स, म्युझियम, झूलॉजिकल पार्क, biodiversity park and kids. Only the basic principles of life they are for study. Then chapter number 2 is the systematic of living organism. The points deleted are systematics, 3 domains of life, numerical taxonomy, phylogeny, taxonomic categories, taxonomic hierarchy, unit of classification, nomenclature, classification, chemotaxonomy, cladogram, and DNA barcoding. All these points are deleted. Only the silent features of 5 kingdoms and acellular organisms, they are for study. The third chapter is kingdom Plantae. The point deleted is only 3.3, that is the angiospermy. Then the next 4 chapters, that is the chapter number 4, kingdom Animalia, chapter number 5, cell structure and organization, chapter number 6, biomolecules, and chapter number 7, that is the cell division. From above these 4 chapters, no any point deleted. म्हणजे या ठिकाणं या चारही चॅप्टरमधील सर्वच्या सर्व मुद्दे यंदाच्या वर्षी अभ्यास करावयाचे आहेत. चॅप्टर नंबर 8, प्लांट टिश्यू अँड ॲनाटॉमी. द पॉइंट्स डिलीटेड आर टिश्यू, मेरिस्टेमॅटिक टिश्यू, परमनंट टिश्यू, टिश्यू सिस्टम, secondary growth in plant, wood, cork, cambium and secondary growth, anatomy of root, stem and leaf. All these points are deleted from this chapter. Then chapter number 9, that is the morphology of flowering plants. The deleted points are angiospermy, morphology of root, morphology of stem, morphology of leaf, morphology of fruit and morphology of seed. त्याचप्रमाणे फॅमिली फॅबिएसी एवढे मुद्दे हे या चॅप्टरमधून कमी करण्यात आलेले आहेत. चॅप्टर नंबर 10, that is the animal tissue. From this chapter, no any point is deleted. Then chapter number 11, that is the study of animal type, that is the cockroach. In this chapter, only the habit and habitat as well as systematic position of cockroach is for study, and all other points like external morphology, body cavity, digestive system of cockroach, circulatory or blood vascular system, respiratory or tracheal system, excretory system, nervous system, and reproductive system. All these points are deleted. Then the next chapter is the chapter number 4, photosynthesis, and chapter number 13, respiration and energy transfer. From these two chapters, no any point is deleted. Then chapter number 14, that is the human nutrition. The deleted points are human digestive system, digestive glands, physiology of digestion, absorption and assimilation, nutritional disorders and diseases of digestive system. All these points are deleted from human nutrition. Then the chapter number 15, that is the excretion and osmoregulation. From this chapter also, no any point is deleted. Then chapter number 16, that is the skeleton and movement. From this, the movement and locomotion, skeletal system, group of skeleton, types of joints, disorders related to muscles and disorders related to bones, all these points are deleted. मित्रांनो, कोविडमुळं यावर्षी हा अभ्यासक्रम कमी करण्यात आलेला आहे. सर्वांना 11वीच्या अभ्यासासाठी मनापासून शुभेच्छा देतो. ऑल द बेस्ट. Thanks for watching my this channel. If like, share and subscribe. Thank you.